Documentation is what makes code understandable, shareable, and ultimately maintainable. And these are all pretty key features of documentation and good documentation. Windsurf's ability to autonomously guide the development process and acting like an intelligent agent not only understands your system's intent, but also explains your application. So why is this helpful to enterprises? This is because onboarding new team members takes time, debugging becomes detective work, and all of these can take time away from what your team could be working on. Today, we'll be generating doc strings for a specific file at hand. Due to time constraints, we'll just generate doc strings for one file. I'm going to type in generate doc strings for book.java. The first thing we see Cascade do is it analyzes a java-docstring file. And what it does is it triggers a rule, in which the trigger for this rule is called model-decision. And this allows the model to decide on whether to apply the rule or not. And whenever there's any doc strings in Java, I don't want to include any HTML elements, such as p tags or h tags. And finally, it actually follows the rule and generates out in book.java over 49 new lines. And I can now, as a developer, accept, and then at the bottom, there's also a button in which I can accept all changes in the file. Following that, it gives me a summary of all the doc strings and talks about what changes it's made and gives me a summary as a developer in terms of understanding the code base. So in summary, documentation becomes a living part of the development cycle, not just an afterthought. With Windsurf, teams can move faster, they can collaborate better, and build more maintainable software at scale.